Once there was a farmer who each week sold a pound of butter to a baker. After several weeks of buying a pound of butter from the farmer, the baker decided to weigh the butter that he was receiving to ensure it was indeed a full pound. When the baker weighed it, he learned that the butter was under a pound, which enraged him. He felt he was being cheated, and he decided to take the farmer to court. When in court, the judge asked the farmer how he was weighing the butter. The farmer said, "Your Honor, I am poor. I do not own an exact measuring tool. However, I do have a scale." The judge then asked if the farmer used the scale to measure the butter. The farmer said, "Your Honor, I have been buying 1 pound loaf of bread from the baker since long before he began purchasing butter from me. Whenever the baker brings bread for me, I put it on the scale and then measure out the same weight in butter to give him in return. So if the baker is not getting a pound of butter, he is also not giving a pound of bread as he promised." You see, in life, in your life, the law is simple. You get what you give. If you try to cheat others, you will get cheated yourself in return. As a wise man once said, you can fool everyone, your parents, your friends, the state, but you cannot fool yourself. And the more honest you are, the easier it will be to trust of the people.